Stainless steel single blade delivers a clean, close shave and resists rust. Twist top releases plate to load blade. Closed comb design is less aggressive than an open comb safety razor, allowing for better control during shave. A premium, chrome-plated handle brings a historic design to your daily shave. Handle measures 3 inches in length and weighs 1.04 ounces. Caution, remove blade from cap, guard if storing in travel case. Rinse, do not wipe blades. The first double-edged or safety razors were manufactured by King C Gillette in 1901. Inspired by the original 1929 Gillette Double-Edge razor, today's Gillette Double-Edge razor features all-metal construction in a classic chrome finish, a closed comb design as well as a stylish handle with micro-engraving for improved grip. This classic 3-piece razor set comes in a handsome brown case with rich brown interior lining and 5 Gillette Platinum double-edge safety razor blades. The perfect gift for fans of timeless design, or simply to elevate your own everyday shave. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome razor. Get them while they last. These are great razors. The top of the razor is extremely high quality from Germany, just the handle is made in China. Comes in a nice case along with a slot for a box of razors for travel.